Imagine having a total knee replacement in the morning, going home the same day. It is possible. Let's talk about the Jiffy Knee approach. What is Jiffy Knee replacement? Jiffy Knee replacement is a muscle-sparing approach to the knee replacement. We don't cut the quadriceps muscle. What this allows is a standard knee replacement to happen without cutting the muscle, allowing faster recovery, faster return to range of motion, and typically less pain. How is Jiffy Knee different than traditional knee replacement surgery, you ask? Traditional knee replacement is cut down the middle, cut the muscle, do the knee replacement, and sew it back at the end. With the Jiffy Knee replacement, you do not cut the muscle, you avoid it, you move it out of the way, you put it back at the end after the knee replacement. What this allows is a faster recovery because the muscle isn't cut, and when the patient extends and bends the knee, they're not pulling and pushing against stitches, which typically is very painful. Who's a good candidate for Jiffy Knee replacement? Typically, it's somebody with advanced arthritis of the knee. It can be moderate to severe, typically a healthy person, preferably non-smoker, and somebody with realistic expectations. Most of the Jiffy Knee candidates that we see have done research and they want a muscle-sparing approach. If you're interested, please let us know. So with the Jiffy Knee, it's very typical to have some degree of swelling, which is normal after any knee replacement. What we find is that the ability to extend the leg, bend it, is much less painful, and the patients seem to be walking faster. Typical patient for me asked to drive their car about 2 weeks post-surgery. How quickly can you return to daily activities? It's done in phases. The initial phase is get on your feet, get the range of motion back, get the swelling out of the knee. That's normal. That usually takes 2 weeks. From there, you're looking at about 4 to 6 weeks with more physical therapy and getting around your house, performing your daily activities are very realistic at that time frame. Could you walk the same day with the Jiffy Knee? Absolutely. Typically within an hour or two after surgery, we have patients up walking with physical therapy, and most of the time it's 200 to 300 feet with stairs. I believe the Jiffy Knee is revolutionary towards patient outcomes because we're not cutting the muscle. We're performing the same knee replacement, may or may not use a robot, but we find is less pain medication, improved range of motion earlier, and a faster recovery. If you're considering the Jiffy Knee, what I would ask the surgeon is how comfortable they are with the technique, what are their outcomes, and are you a good candidate? How do you determine if the Jiffy Knee is the right approach for you? Well, typically, it's through research. If you're motivated enough to have a slightly different approach to the knee that's gonna allow a faster recovery, I think it's for you. The outcomes are improved in the short term, and patients seem to be very happy with it. Knee replacement surgery does not have to be a prolonged recovery. I have 17 years of experience, and the first 10 years of my practice, I was doing the traditional technique. I'd admit the patients for 3 nights in the hospital, 2 weeks in the rehab, and there'd be constant renewal of narcotic medications. Nowadays, overnight at the most, many patients go home the same day, the recovery is shorter, and people are back to work or back to their activities much faster. If you have any questions about the Jiffy Knee technique, please don't hesitate to reach out to Modern Orthopedics of New Jersey.